In the competitive world of fashion design, quality and precision are key. But how can the principles of Six Sigma, known for excellence in manufacturing, be applied to the artistry of fashion? It begins with defining clear goals. Fashion designers outline the vision for their collection, setting objectives for style, fit, and production efficiency. Next comes measurement. Designers gather data on fabric quality, garment dimensions, and customer preferences, using precise metrics to ensure consistency. Analyzing trends is crucial. By studying market demands and consumer behavior, designers can identify patterns and forecast future needs. Now it's time to implement improvements. Designers work closely with production teams to optimize workflows, reduce waste, and enhance quality control. Continuous monitoring is key to success. By tracking performance and gathering customer feedback, designers ensure their creations meet or exceed expectations. By integrating Six Sigma principles into fashion design, designers create not just beautiful garments, but also reliable and high-quality products that resonate with consumers.